We are visiting different countries in search of our queen for our kingdom.
But so far we haven't found anyone who is,
Who is what, Chingming?
who is actually worthy of our royal kimono, Raju.
No, does not belong to any monkey. Kalia deserves it.
Huh?
Kalia the king.
No! Kimono only belongs to the queen!
Not the queen. King.
Very bad boy. Christine, our queen. Queen Tun Tun.
Royal kimono has chosen you.
Please put on the kimono.
If you insist, I'll wear the kimono for once.
Ma!
Long live our Empress Tun Tun! Long live!
Empress Tun Tun. Empress Tun Tun rules over everyone.
Ma!
Forget Ma. I'm the Empress. Get off.
Auntie is a bad empress.
Very bad.
Empress, hope that you will come along with us.
Never.
What?
But why?
Empress Tun Tun will also rule over the kingdom of Dholakpur. King Indravarma!
Hand over Dholakpur to the Empress Tun Tun right away.
I'll destroy the kingdom of Dholakpur.
Ma! Dholakpur is our actual home.
Jingming!
Bheem! The last laddu!
Mama, I'm here.
Ma, you were...
Tuntun auntie, you had promised to serve laddus to all of us in the royal palace.
So let's go.
Hello kids, how are you all?
Greetings, Your Majesty!
I'd want you to meet Mr. Ander. He's a minister from the Messina Kingdom and he has specially come from the Icy Kingdom to learn about our farming and farm techniques used.
Iceland! Mr. Minister, so how is this Messina province?
Messina province is beautiful, filled with beautiful people. We need a device just like this one. We need to finish our farming before the winter arrives because it is impossible to do farming in the snow.
Take us to Messina province with you.
We will teach you how to use this farming machine ourselves.
Hey, Bholu. Wow, looks like the whole of Messina province is here.
So much excitement for a farming machine.
So then come, let's get started without wasting any more time.
This device is great. Now we can finish our farming before the winter even begins.
Cheers to Team Dholarpur!
Now this is what you call a royal feast.
I'm sorry, we forgot to keep the sherbet on the table. I'll be back.
I'm so tired. Why? We are trying to find the elves in the forest since morning. Elves? Yes, elves. And you know dwarves can fulfill anything we wish for. Yes, dwarves.
Elves that will need to meet them for sure. Come on, let's go.
Hey, where have Bheem and his friends disappeared?
Erika and Helga sent them into the forest to find some wish-fulfilling elves.
What? You two are at it again? I have to stop them all before they find the elves and it's too late.
We have been walking in the forest since so long, but there is no sign of elves.
We found them. Come on, let's get our wishes fulfilled.
Let me inform you all that these elves are very hot-headed. They'll never grant your wishes, but they can curse you. They don't like humans at all. The only things they like are flowers.
We are sorry. Please forgive us. We were just kidding.
Who's out there? Who is trying to spy on us? I'll turn you into a rabbit. Come out!
Run! Run, run!
It's raining
Because of you, these guys could have landed in trouble. Wait till Dads find out. He'll be really angry.
We are sorry. Please forgive us. We will never misbehave again. If our friends are angry with us, we will lighten up the mood. We will dance for them like a frog.
You two are just so cute.
Come
Do you think I'm a numbskull? Huh?
No. Of course not, boss. Though I don't know about the numb bit, but you're definitely not just a skull.
You both are going to have it from me. Stop, both of you.
Come on, Kalia. Let them be.
94.
Looks like boss is going to touch 100 this time.
Yes, just like Bheem.
Hey boss, just 3 more to go.
And you will touch 100.
I am going to climb the Neeli Pahadi. I'll climb Neeli
We are all set to head for Neeli Pahadi.
We are going for a holiday trip after so long, isn't it, guys?
And that too at a place where no one from Dholakpur has gone.
Oh,
Huh? Raju, what is this?
Magnet, Jagu, magnet. Professor Dhumketu gifted this to me before he left for Vigyanpur.
Hush it now. If there's any gold at Neeli Pahadi, we'll bring it back in these bags. Load it now.
Gold! Gold! All our gold! Oh, hey, boss!
Someone help!
Kalia, I hope you're not hurt.
Yes, I'm fine. I could have done it myself.
This was all due to this magnet? Move faster, Kalia. As it is, we are delayed. Boss!
The delay is not because of me. Bheem is the reason for this delay. God knows what all he was discussing with His Majesty.
Have a nice trip, kids.
I welcome all you guys to my science laboratory.
Can you please help us in one of our jobs using your robot?
Huh? What job?
No one touches my laddus today.
We'll have to try and see.
Bring the laddus. Throw the laddus. Throw the laddus. Have some laddus.
Just wait. You're stealing my laddus, huh?
Happy eating.
What a laddu. Now how do I blame these kids? The laddus are so yummy that you can't help but crave to eat them.
Oh no, our fate doesn't have laddus today. Just hard work.
Get back, everyone! I am so huge that I am unable to hide behind these teeny tiny bushes. Get out of here, otherwise...
Come outside, Kalia. You're scared, but the bushes are shivering.
I am not scared. I was just trying to look for a weapon to scare away those wolves.
Waiting for your orders to launch the attack.
Get my horse ready now. It's time to head for an attack. Evil Emperor Hidoishin has launched his attack on our kingdom. Our king is injured and we have very few soldiers. But we are not going to let this scare us, right?
We will fight! Show our might! This is my chance to prove that I am better than anyone. Commander, sir.
What?
By the time the sun sets today, no one would be praising Bheem at all. Instead, they'll be singing in praise of Kalia's bravery.